I want to suggest that the fakeness of school is not inevitable. There are and always have been positive outliers, schools and classrooms and moments in time where the relationship between learners and content is transformative rather than toxic, where watching the clock gives way to focus and flow, where the boundary between artificial and authentic becomes blurry to the point of irrelevant, and where shallowness gives way to depth and learning is not a game anymore. This quest for this kind of deep and authentic learning and the desire to understand and spread the conditions that produce it is the through line to my work, and I think it's the reason that I'm here with you today. What I want to share with you is one of the more surprising conclusions that my work has surfaced, which is that the places where deep and authentic learning tends to flourish are places where we don't always think to look. Elective courses, career and technical education pathways, alternative education programs, and extracurricular activities.